Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide the content of your notifications from the lock screen on your Android device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put likes and comments right. And let's get started. So, for this, you and I will need our Android device to go into the settings. To do this, we need to swipe down on the right side of the screen. And here we will find a gear. By tapping on it, we will go to the settings of our phone. And here you'll need to find either notifications or like I have its notification center. What's the name? We go in. And here we see that we have displayed, for example, the application, from which we receive a notification on the lock screen, also on the work screen, and so on. But we are interested in the lock screen. So, we're going to need to either. If you have, like me, on your phone, you have a picture of the phone, so to speak. Then you click on the lock screen image. If you don't have an image, then you just need to find a section, which is called lock screen. When we go to that, we can see here that we can choose exactly how we're going to receive notifications on the lock screen. Either they will come and we will see their content, or we will not see their content, we will just see them. What, for example, what apps or who, what person has sent you a message. There you can also absolutely disable this notification. Choose what is convenient for you. If you don't want to receive notifications from any app, like Facebook, then you'll need to find that app at the bottom. As you can see, I have Facebook, and I have notifications enabled near it. If you want to turn them off, just like this, click like this, and they'll be turned off. You can do the same thing with absolutely any app. This way you can hide the contents of your lock screen notifications from all apps, or any specific ones. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.